Do you know what you gotta do to get one of those strictly limited Rusty Scale Show stickers or Rusty Gang stickers, also strictly limited, or even one of these original Swiss Army knife, Victorinox Swiss Army pocket knives with the Rusty Scale Show engravings? You're only 3 steps away, my brother. So let's do it. Free special subscriber bonus items. So we're back and it's finally time to send out those stickers for you guys, because on one hand we got the Rusty Gang badges, Rusty Gang stickers, and on the other hand we got the Rusty Scale Show stickers. Now, I said we need 2K subscriber first before we can start send out those stickers. And now, meanwhile, we already have 2.5K subscribers. So thanks a lot, guys. You're fantastic. You're the best besides me. So here's what you gotta do. First, subscribe to the channel. Then write a comment and tell me which country you're from. And thirdly, write me an email and sending me your YouTube account and your postal address, and you'll automatically will get one of those stickers. Maybe even one of each, who knows. So start up YouTube, hit the search bar and type in Rusty Scale. Click on the channel. Maybe tell Chris to make a pause and shut up for a moment. Then in the channel info section, click on the arrow. Click on show email address. Here's the email address: rustyscale@bluevin.ch. All you gotta do is send me an email. Yeah, that's it. Now what I need to say is these stickers are limited, okay? It's both are in a limited edition. If we have 5 million sendings, I don't think we can fulfill that, because I think, how many do we have? 500 each or 1,000 each? I don't know. So the early bird catches the sticker. Make sure you're fast enough. So far so good. Now you know the drill. But we got more. Yeah, we got more. We got 4 more bonus items, and they are right here. You see these boxes? Victorinox. These are the famous Swiss Army pocket knives, okay? And it's the original one. The original one from Victorinox, and it says Rusty Scale. You see this? This is very handy. You can use it all the time. It has a very good blade. It's not too big. So there's no problem, there's no legal problem with this. You can use it for camping, you can also use it for modeling. In fact, I'm planning to do a build with only one of those, okay? Or similar ones. And what you also have is the opener. You got this one. The corkscrew. Maybe you need to clean your tooth after eating and drinking. And also coming in very handy, your own little pair of tweezers. The original Victorinox Swiss Army knife, and we got 4 of those. Now, these are the special bonus items. And we already had a draw for the long-time members, you know, the long-time members. So now, pay attention, all the long-time members. We already have 3 winners. Yes, already done, without even you knowing it. That's how we do it, because we never forget anything. So we already have 3 winners, okay? Pay good attention. The first one is David Smithson 9236. David Smithson, please send me an email on rustyscale@bluevin.ch with your postal address. You'll be getting one of those special Victorinox Rusty Scale Show engraved knives, okay? Same goes for Andy Shaw 5378. Andy Shaw 5378. And of course, Bill Wright 2811. So Bill Wright 2811, David Smithson 9236, and Andy Shaw 5578. You guys, please send me an email on rustyscaleshow@bluevin.ch, and these ones are waiting for you. All right? That's it. Congratulations, and thank you very much for your long-time support. You're the best, guys. You're the best. So, one for David, one for Andy, one for Bill. If we do the math correctly, there's one more left. So this one is for one of you guys. Anybody who subscribes to the channel, leaves a comment to the video telling me from which country you're from, and also write me the email with your postal address, you'll have a chance to get this one. All right? So, yeah. Thanks a lot, guys, and See you in the next one. Bye bye. Come on, you can focus on the blade. Look how shiny it is. It's a very good blade. It's very strong. And yeah, you can use this for camping. It's not too big, you know, you see, it's not a big blade. It's a small blade, so there's no problem. This is not a weapon. This can be used for camping or for any other thing that you need a knife for.